Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Customs YouTube channel. So today we've got this Hyundai i10, and as you can see the headlight is broken and the pieces are hanging in my hand. So if we get closer to the car, we can see there's so many pieces just broken off the headlight. So we're going to be fixing this today, and this is what we're going to be doing on this video, just changing the headlight, and then the car should be roadworthy once again. As the insurance company have written off this car just for this headlight damage, but it's a pretty much simple fix that we're going to be doing today and showing you guys how to do it. So if you have a Hyundai or a Hyundai i10 and you need to change your headlight, then please do follow us, subscribe to the channel. And some of you might be asking about that BMW down there, why it's like that. So we're going to be stripping out that BMW and we're going to be sending it off for scrap. So if you did want to watch the video of us stripping out this whole car, make sure you subscribe, because that will come in the future. I don't know when, but it will be there on our YouTube channel in the future. So make sure you subscribe. And what are we waiting for? Let's get crack-a-lacking. I'm going to start off by opening the bonnet. So undo the latch inside the car. And then we've got this stick that we want to put down. That is that done. So for this job we want a Phillips head screwdriver and maybe a 10mm ratchet tool as well. So as you can see over here, there is a 10mm bolt here, and over here there's a screw. Then there's one here, and I believe there is one deep down in the engine too, which I will show you guys later if I can get the video camera right below. So you might also want to take out this screw so that you can work with the headlight better. This holds the air intake into place, so we just want to remove that. Hopefully the camera shows this. As you can see here, there's a little bit which holds this pipe that goes below onto this plastic bit, which is part of the headlight. We want to push this down and just hold these, or push these clips together on each side, and then it comes off. So as you saw, you want to squeeze these two sides and then push it down, and it comes off the headlight. There is another screw right there. I'm going to remove that too. There we go. The headlight is now out. You just want to wiggle it and lift it up and then wiggle it out, and then out it comes. There we go. So we had to drill out the screw in order to take it out because it was all seized up inside. So sometimes things don't go as planned and you have to improvise. And yeah, when a screw is seized inside, you need to drill it out, or you can try heat it up as well and then drill it out, or try with the actual ratchet. But we just tried drilling it out and we took it out, and then we took the headlight out. Now it's time for the new headlight, and hopefully everything works. This is the old headlight, which we don't need no more as it's broken in pieces. No use to that no more. But this is the new headlight. It's a second-hand headlight that we bought, but it's in good condition, so hopefully everything works once we bolt everything in and connect it. So let's go ahead, connect this, and all we're going to do is show you the steps, vice versa. So we're going to just put this in, and all you have to do is put the 3 bolts, slide it in from top to bottom, and then we're going to put the trim back on, and everything should hopefully work. That brings us to the end of the video, and I hope this video helped you guys and you found it informative. So if you do like content like this, where we do DIY stuff that you can do by yourself, then please do remember to subscribe below and click on the notification button so that you don't miss a video. And we have an ABS fault on this car, which we might do a video on and we might not do, depending on what the actual issue is. If it's just a sensor thing, then we won't. If it's something else, then we might. But if you do like content like this, then please do remember to subscribe and be part of this Alpha Customs journey. And if you did find it informative, do leave it in the comments. If there is things that you think we can improve on, then do leave it in the comments too, because I don't want to just hear good stuff. I also want to hear feedback where I can improve, since I'm trying to make these videos as good and informative for you guys. So yeah, hopefully you see that BMW next on the channel, but that will take some time. So if you wanted to see that, then you know where to go and which channel to hit up. So till next time, peace.